sinabi niya, ganitong mga kriminal na gawain ay hindi ko palalampasin. So, makita na natin, no, the pronouncements of the President, meron ng bias doon. I don't think magiging patas itong investigasyon na ito. Kahit pa man pumunta ako doon, hindi ako pumunta doon, we believe, and I believe, that we, meaning the lawyers and I, believe that cases will be filed. I assure everyone that we already have lawyers helping us. In fact, the moment that Franz Castro announced last year that they are planning to file an impeachment, we already talked to lawyers who will handle the impeachment. I do not plan to leave the country, or I do not plan to hide if there will be a warrant of arrest, mainly because my children are here. So if I am detained, I want to be able to still see my children.